What's up, guys? Adam here with Adam's Hair Stuff, and in today's video we're going to be going over my daily morning beard routine. So let's get into it. But before we get into that, guys, if you are new to my channel, I am Adam. I'm a barber, and I like to make YouTube videos on men's grooming, men's lifestyle, tips and tricks, things of that sort. So if that interests you guys, be sure to check out my channel. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. And if you like this video, fellas, be sure to shoot me a like. So welcome back, guys, to my lair, my bathroom. You're back in here with me, guys. Gonna shoot another video. And again, today is going to be my daily beard routine, or my morning beard routine, because I do a nightly kind of beard routine as well, which I will go over in another video. All right, guys, so the first thing that I do with my beard in the morning is, I shower, and what I like to use in the shower just depends on the day, but I'll wash the beard with a beard wash, and also I use a conditioner as well. Now, I don't wash my beard too often, maybe twice a week, if that. It just depends on how dirty the beard gets and how much product I use, and getting rid of the buildup. It's kind of like your hair. You gotta really watch out how often you wash it. But so in the shower, I like to use a beard wash, and it just depends. I go through and try different things. So right now, guys, it has been the Maestros beard wash, the Spirited blend. I really like this beard wash, guys. It smells really good. It's very invigorating, and it also cleans very well. I also do like to use pine tar soap, things of that sort. So I recommend using a beard wash for your beard, and do not use hair shampoo, guys. It is not formulated for your face. It's a little too harsh, dries out the beard. Make sure you're using a nice high quality beard wash. So the Maestros is what I use, and then after that I will throw in a conditioner. And what I have been using lately is the Keune, I think that's how you pronounce it, is their essential conditioner, and it's 1922 is their men's line. Now, this brand, or this company, has been around for a very long time, guys, making cosmetics and stuff like that. Cosmetic chemists who really know their products. So a really good company. I really like their stuff, and I use their essential conditioner. Now, this is a hair conditioner or all over body conditioner. It's also, you can use it in your beard, which is really nice. So I highly would recommend this conditioner, but you want to be using something in the shower for a conditioner. And sometimes I also will, if I'm not washing my beard, I will use this every day in the shower. Every single time in the shower, I'll use this in my beard. So really good stuff, guys. A beard conditioner, I think, is a must, and there's a lot on the market. I recommend Keune one. This one works really good. So we're just out of the shower again. I washed the beard, conditioned the beard a little bit in the shower, rinsed it out, and now it is ready to receive some other treatment and oils and stuff. So again, I like to use a lot of different products. I have so many beard oils, beard balms, and things like that. Right now I'm going to show you what I have been using lately and been testing out, and I've come to like a lot of this stuff. So depending on the day, I will use some of the Maestros beard butter stuff. I really like this stuff because it is a water soluble beard product, which is kind of hard to find nowadays. It washes out with just water, and it does really good at maintaining and conditioning the beard and the skin underneath. So I will use this on days when I really don't want my beard to feel heavy, and I need just like a little something in there. So the Maestros beard butter is what I will use a lot of the times, but I do use a beard oil every day. And right now I have been rotating through 3 different ones. And right now I'm been trying out the Mountaineer brand's Timber beard oil. All natural beard oil. I really like this stuff, guys. It's really good because it is not very expensive. Very good price point for how much you get. So I really like the Mountaineer beard brand. And then also I've been using snake oil by the Holy Black. Now, this company is great, guys. We use this stuff in the barbershop all the time. I use this for shaves, pre-shave oil, after skin moisturizer, or after the shave moisturizer oil. All-purpose oil, guys. You can use it on your hair, your skin. This stuff is fucking awesome, guys. Snake oil by Holy Black. Premium oil. Very good stuff. Smells great. And then also I've been using the Honest Amish, their original beard oil. classic beard oil. And honestly guys, this is another one that's a good bang for the buck and is a very nice high quality oil, nothing too crazy and thick, and it works really good guys. So these are the three that I have been using right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I'm going to be using the Holy Black today. So I'm going to grab some of this, and the first thing that I will do is get some in my hands, work it into my hands, and really work it into the beard. All right, get it down into the skin, which is what I do, which is what you should be doing. Okay, because that's where all the moisture is really needed. And then what you want to do, if you have a longer beard, you can pull it through. My beard's not that long, growing it out again, so hopefully we'll get there. And then all the excess you can wipe it down on your arms, or what I do is I just put it in my hair. Okay, and then what I do after that is I use a beard balm. Now for the beard balm guys, what I've been using lately is the Beard brand's Temple Smoke. Now what I like about the Beard brand stuff guys is that it's actually a utility balm. And what that is basically an all-purpose balm for your skin and your hair. You can use this stuff in your beard as a beard balm. You can use it on your skin as a moisturizer. You can use it in your hair as a moisturizer and a little bit of control. It's kind of like a pomade, all-purpose pomade, and it works very well. And the Temple Smoke smells fucking amazing, guys. A very pricey product, not gonna lie, but it is a high-quality premium product, and it does smell very good, the Temple Smoke. So what I will do is I will grab some of this, and I will apply it to the beard as well. Now this stuff, a little of beard balm goes a long way, so I only use just a little dab of it. And again, we will break it down in our hands, emulsify it, and then I will apply it to the beard. Again, just working it in down to the skin and pulling it through if you have a longer beard. You really want to get a lot of it, or you want to be kind of not vigorous with it guys, but you just want to make sure that you're fully coating your beard and really working it into it, just to make sure that you get full coverage. And again, let's go about the utility balm. You guys just throw it in the hair a little bit or on the skin. It's really good for tattoos guys. If you guys have tattoos, very good for making the tattoos pop and just conditioning the skin. All right. So after I do that guys, what I will do is I will grab a brush or a comb. Now I use just a regular, not a regular, but a wet brush. Now I love these brushes. I've been over these many of times in my videos, and that is because they are very easy to use, and also they are they are not harsh on the hair at all. They glide through hair, get out tangles very well, and they don't cause any damage. So a wet brush is a must. And again, I will just brush the beard out, get it into the shape that I really want. And you can blow dry your beard to get it into a specific shape, or they sell those beard combs now, those heating combs, and those work good guys. I personally don't really use one because my beard's not really long enough, and if I do need to get some control, I will use a blow dryer and a comb or a brush. All right, so I will brush it out guys. And this just gets it to the shape that I really want, and also just helps spread out the product evenly. So the wet brush is a really good one to use. I also have used a Keune comb. Really good comb is a Keune comb. You want to make sure that if you are using a comb guys, that you are not really using it in super dry hair, because it will cause breakage and damage to the hair. But the Keune combs are an exception because they are handmade, and usually with the machine press combs, like plastic combs, when they get pressed, there are these little teeth that come off of them, microscopic teeth, and what it does is it causes drag in the beard or in the hair, and it causes damage. These hand-cut, handmade combs like Keune do not have that, so they are very smooth on the hair. So I would recommend, if you are using a comb, make sure it is a Keune comb or some type of handmade comb. Again, you can use this same purpose as the brush. Just gets it into the position that you want and shaping it. And then after that guys, what I will do is I will use a Boar Brush, a little something like this, little board brush, and I will hit the beard with that at the end. And what this is going to do, guys, is actually a lot of stuff for your beard. A Boar Brush does more than just kind of combs it out or brushes it out. And actually, because of how dense they are, it pulls out a lot of the curl in the beard, spreads the oil even further into the skin, and actually does clean it a lot, because what it does is it traps dirt and debris, and it basically brushes it out. So a Boar Brush is a very nice and essential thing I think you need if you're a beardsman. And then I just brush it out, guys, to where I want and how I want. And that's basically it, guys. That's the morning beard routine. I just make sure that it's nice and conditioned, and I get it into the shape that I want. Again, I will use a blow dryer if I need to, but this is basically what I like to do. And then at the end, if I have some stray hairs, I will just kind of use my hands to like form it a little bit, but nothing too crazy, guys. Again, I'm growing out the beard, so we're gonna kind of see where it's gonna take me. It's been a while. But yeah, guys, that's basically my morning beard routine. Now, as a lot of you guys know who have a beard, there are so many products out there, guys, for your beard nowadays. I remember when this shit was new and there wasn't that much, and now it's fucking flooded, dude. The whole beard community has so much shit in there. There's so many balms, washes, oils, combs and brushes, bunch of shit, guys. So there's so much stuff. I'm just telling you right now, this is what I've been using right now. There's a lot of things that I have used and I have tried and that I do like, but I believe you should always be switching it up and trying different shit out, which is what I like to do. And I do have my favorites. Right now, these have been my favorite as of right now. That's probably gonna change in the future. If you guys have any recommendations about any kind of beard stuff, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys like when it comes to the oils, the washes, whatever it is, because I know, again, there's so much shit out there and it can be overwhelming. This is what I like to use, and I would highly recommend any of these products that I've showed today. And with that being said, guys, all of these products, or most of these products that I could find, will have links in the description for them below. Again, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get compensated for anything that you guys buy through those links, which helps me out a lot. So I'd greatly appreciate if you guys went down there and checked out all the stuff that I have on my Amazon store. Guys, that wraps it up for this video today. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys who are watching the videos continuously and supporting the channel. And please leave a comment down below if you have any feedback whatsoever. I go through every comment and I try to get back to everybody if I can. Again, those comments really help me out and giving me new ideas and stuff. So be sure to leave some feedback down below, guys. But yeah, this is Adam with Adam's Hair Stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.